Some senators don't get it. Why is the government entering into loan agreements with China if other countries like Japan offer lower interest rates? And why the secrecy? Win Gatchalian, chairman of the Senate Committee on Economic Affairs, called out the government in a hearing on Tuesday for the lack of transparency in these transactions with China.
Yan talagang pinakamalaking pagkukulang ng NEDA and DOF. Personally, as a taxpayer, I want to see those contracts para malaman natin mabuti kung ano ba yung pinapasok. Kasi tayo rin magbabayad yan at the end. So I don't agree with that confidentiality argument.
Under the Build program, 75 flagship projects amounting to 2.1 trillion pesos will at least be launched during the Duterte administration. 19 of these will be funded by the Chinese government. Gatchalian demanded to know why the government chose to borrow from China, which carry 2 to 3% interest rates, when Japan offers a near 0 or 0.1% interest.
Common sense will dictate that we should go all the time with the Japanese. Why we are going with other lenders as opposed to just focusing on the cheapest.
Some of the currencies could be very volatile, so you have to madaling appreciate or depreciate.
The Department of Finance says Japan has limited resources and capabilities, so the government needs to look for other resources. Government officials admit loans from China require the Philippine government to hire Chinese contractors for projects they fund. Basis Conversion and Development Authority President Vince Dizon says China normally identifies 3 Chinese contractors, which go through a transparent bidding process. But Senator Nancy Binay is unconvinced.
Mas maganda pa din yung Japan or Korea because we're not tied to 3 contractors. Sa China, they submit the 3. Unlike sa Japan, it open to whoever, if you're part of the pool of contractors of Japan, you can bid out. Hindi katulad itong sa China, ito na yung pagpipilian nyo, itong tatlo.
Yeah. The contractors that participate are state-owned enterprises. The central government of the People's Republic of China takes responsibility for its state-owned enterprises.
Binay also raised concern that instead of providing jobs for Filipinos, Chinese loans and projects result to the hiring of Chinese workers. The Public Works Department admits that 20 to 30% of workers in China-funded projects are Chinese.
Because the foremen, the supervisors speak Mandarin, even their equipment and all this machinery are all written either in Hokkien or Mandarin, then by all means sila yon at yung kailangang mga tao sa ilalim nila, the construction workers, should have the facility to speak the language as well.
Joyce Ila, CNN Philippines.